If you're new to my channel, welcome. On this channel, I'm usually, trying to be inspiration to somebody, help the next person. But I always had an idea to show people what my day-to-day life is like. As of late, we recently had puppies, so um, a lot of my attention been going there after work. Dealing with the puppies and the grown dogs I have. That's the one on right there, Cody. Cody is actually the mom of these puppies that y'all see right now. Right here is Winter. That's Grandma. And I am, in today's video, I wanted to, because I was originally going to make a separate page, and that right there is General. General is actually the generation before them. That's his mom too. Uh, no, I'm sorry, my mistake. His his mom is in the house. General mom is in the house, um, and he came from her daughter. So the first set of puppies that we had, which is his mom, General's mom, is she's in the house right now. Her name is Blue. Look at this guy. Ain't lying now. Ain't lying now. So yeah. Yeah, so my page is usually um inspirational speaking, like I said, but I had an idea to do some, let's go check out to see what they doing. Do some videos of my pups and everything. Now all these puppies are not staying. Lionel is staying. The one next to him, his name is Frost, and he's staying. And she is right over. Come here, girl. Come here, girl. Come here. And her name is Latte. Latte is staying. We getting rid of the boy right there, the black and white, the gray and white boy. General, okay, that's enough. That gray and white boy and that Brindle one right here. They are the three that we looking for homes at this point. But I want to start doing little not docu little vlogs of them growing up. And look at grandma, she just Winter, come here, baby. Come here, baby. No? Okay. Um, yeah, so you just wanna do little. She just watching them. She like her alone time. She don't really like to be bothered with them. But come here, guys. Hey, gentlemen. Um, yeah, so doing little, and y'all gonna see in my normal typical videos. The three dogs eventually. Me being in the park doing my videos. You'll see them in the videos and all that type of stuff. Okay, guys. He is upset. He look. Yeah. So you'll start seeing them in the videos. As they get older and older, and like I said, I usually this ain't my normal videos, but of course, I will never stop doing that. But instead of having two pages of trying to maintain two pages, I'm just going to start putting little videos of them up on my original page. So if you're new to the channel, welcome. I appreciate all my old subscribers, all the support y'all give, the motivation y'all give me is truly appreciated. And also, if you're new, subscribe to the channel. It would truly be appreciated. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll probably get a couple more minutes of them doing different things. Look, he gonna mess with Mom Dukes, and she ain't gonna be hearing this soon. Look at her. already. Then here come him. You ain't learning? Winter, come here, baby. Winter, come here. Come here. Hey, baby. You okay? You okay? Oh, look at Frost. 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 Hey, boy. Oh. Hey, baby. General, what you got going on? So yeah, y'all will see. So this is actually their second time. Like a proud dad, I would like to catch the first everything, but this is actually their second time in the yard. Um, the first time was earlier today. I was at work. Hey, no, Winter, you too rough. Come here, baby. You too rough. You okay? No, no. Get, you okay? Latte. Wait. What you say? What you talking about? Hey, what you talking about? Winter. What? Oh, I can't even say that now. You gotta teach him a little bit. Okay. Winter. Submit to grandma. Okay. Hey. I think sometimes she'd be frustrated. Hey guys. Okay, General. Look. She tired of you. Ah, hey baby. Hey baby. Oh, he off the chase up one. He a little rough. He don't know. He don't be knowing this stress sometimes, so they get frustrated with him. But yes, okay, guys, that's pretty much all I'm gonna have for this video. I appreciate y'all tuning in. Do me a favor, hit the like button, share the video. Latte, latte, latte. Yeah. So what I say, like the video, share the video, comment. It all be appreciated. And if you can do me one big favor, hit that subscribe button. Okay. Lionel, what's up, baby? Winter, Winter. Latte, stop acting like that. Hey, Frost.